Today, we'll see what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit. Okay, let me write. Let us see first theoretically, I'll then go with the practical example. Okay, driver.close. All right. So driver.close will closes the focus window or tab. So, okay, let me write down. Will close focus or active. You can say a focused window or tab. Okay, will close the focused window or tab which is opened in the current instance. Okay. All right. So in this case, driver instance will not close. Okay, let me write down that also. Driver instance will not close. Means, so it will still remains in the memory. Okay. Right. So how many browsers or tabs opened in the current instance, it doesn't matter. It will close only the focused window or tab. Okay, fine. Okay. Let us see the driver.quit. So driver.quit will close all the windows, browser windows, Windows tabs or pop-ups which is open in the current instance, right? It is not only closes the browser instances, and it will close the driver instance as well. Closes the driver instance. Okay, means so it will not available in the memory. Okay, so it is not available in memory. So it will clears in the memory. Who clears the memory? So by using garbage collector. Garbage collector will clear it in from memory. All right. So once it is cleared in the memory, I can't use this driver object, right? So after using driver.quit, I can't use the driver instance because it is already cleared from the memory. It is deleted from the memory by using the garbage collector. So I can't use it. But in this case, after use driver.close also, I can still able to access the driver object and will do the remaining operation with the driver object. But after using driver.quit, I can't able to use driver object. driver reference, you can say, for instance. Let us see the practical examples. So I'm opening here. This is a new window, 2 new windows and 2 new tabs from the space, and trying to close that. So which one it will close? These are all remains, but it will close the practice space. So which is the title? We'll observe that. Let me run now. Okay, see the practice space title. So it is open to new windows and it is open to new tabs. Again, it closed my parent tab. So I can't see here the practice space, right? Because it is already closed by the driver.close, because that is the active page. Okay, that is a focused page. That's the reason my driver.close is closes that. Let me close all these things. Let me run the same with driver.quit. See, all the open browsers are closes. Okay, so after using driver.quit, I'm trying to access the driver object again. Let us see now. If it is still remains in the memory, I can able to access this, right? So I can able to use this. So let me run now. If it is gives the error, so means I can't able to access this because it is already destroyed. Object is already destroyed from the memory, so it is already removed from the memory. So let us see. Okay, it closes all the browsers it is open in the current session, and see here it's throwing some exception. What is that? So no such session exception. Session ID is null because it is removed from the memory and not able to find this driver session. So that's the reason it is giving this error. Using web driver after calling quit. Yes, after calling quit, I'm using driver object. That's the reason it is giving me the error. Okay, so means after quitting, so driver instance will be destroyed from the memory by using always quit. That's the reason I can't able to use this driver instance again. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.